Hey everyone, welcome back to Info Infinity Loop. Have you ever wondered what stories lie behind the colors and symbols of a national flag? Today I'm taking you on a journey to explore the national flag of Angola, an emblem packed with history, resilience, and deep meaning. So let's break it down. The Angolan flag is split into two bold horizontal halves, red on top, black below. But these aren't just random colors. The red represents the blood shed by Angolans during their struggle for independence. The black stands for the African continent, the heart of their identity. It's simple, but powerful. Every wave of the flag is a reminder of the sacrifices and pride of the Angolan people. But wait, there's more. Centered proudly on the flag, you'll spot a golden emblem, half gear wheel, machete, star. Each piece here tells its own story. The gear represents industrial workers and progress. The machete? That's the symbol of the peasantry and the fight for freedom. And the star? It echoes hope and international solidarity, much like the star on the classic Soviet flag, but with its own Angolan twist. Now, you might be wondering, when did this flag become Angola's national symbol? Well, it was officially adopted on November 11th, 1975, the very day Angola gained its independence from Portugal. Can you imagine the celebration, the pride, and the tears as the flag was raised for the first time? That red and black banner shining with gold marked the start of a new era. But the story doesn't end there. There have been debates about redesigning the flag to promote unity and peace. But for many, the current flag's symbolism is just too powerful to change. It carries the dreams, the struggles, and the victories of generations. Next time you see the Angolan flag, maybe in a news story at a sports event or even in your travels, remember, it's not just fabric and color. It's a living story, woven from courage and hope. If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Info Infinity Loop for more deep dives into the world's symbols and stories. Drop your thoughts and flag suggestions in the comments below. I read all of them. Until next time, keep exploring the infinite stories around us.